In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commence the chapter that is known as semantics, which is the scientific and philosophical study of meaning. Then I started the next topic that was about lexical relations. In lexical relations, I told you about synonyms, antonyms, hoponyms, homonyms, homophones, and homonyms, and some other topics like prototype, etc. Today I'm going to tell you in lexical relation another topic, and that is wordplay. Listeners and audience, wordplay is also known as playing with word or play on word. Wordplay is actually the witty and clever use of words in such a way to attract the listeners and audience. The use of witty and clever words in order to attract the audience, to convince them, particularly to attract the audience. This is the main purpose. And here, the writer used to make the use of such words that the lesson become humorous for the readers, for the listeners, and for both of them. And it involves the figurative language or the figurative use of language, such as simile, metaphor, personification, and alliteration, rhyme schemes, etc. Now the question is, what is the importance of wordplay? The first example and the importance of wordplay is that wordplay is used by a writer in order to attract and incline the readers and the listeners. And it is also used for humorous effect. And it is also used in order to entertain the people. And also sometimes the use of wordplay has dual meaning or duality, and sometimes it also creates ambiguity for the listeners as well. However, most of the words plays they are important in use in both poetry, writing, and another conversation. But now, what would be some practical examples that we know words plays? I'm just going to share 2 or 3 examples with you. Words play can be in spoken form. It can be in verbal form. As I see, most of the words are taken from figurative languages. For example, take this example. If I say, I love Eve. You know, generally, Eve refer to an animal that is sheep. But the question is, if you want to show a kind of joke, a humorous effect, and if you pronounce this word, the whole sentence with this word loudly, so the people will think that he is talking about you. For example, if you say, I love Eve. So if you pronounce this sentence loudly, instead of listening to this word, the people will think that you are talking about you. This is just one example. Another example, for example, beauty, but butter, milk. For example, or beauty bought butter. Beauty bought butter. Here you see playing with words with the help of alliteration, and it is also to attract the people. The meaning is also correct, but you see here, alliteration, the repetition of the same consonant sounds at the beginning of the word. So here you see B, and here another B and another B. So beauty, bought, butter. And you can also see them in rhyme scheme, etc. However, to make it short, wordplay mean that wordplay is actually the use of witty and clever language, clever words, in order to make humorous effect in language, in order to attract the readers, audience, etc. Hope that this topic is clear to you.